Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about failure and success. When you do struggle and you face failure, you again do your struggle, again you face failure, again you do struggle, again you face failure, then you quit. But perhaps you don't know that in next step you are going to be succeeded. But before that step you quit. If I give you an example that you go to someone for help, if you are doing some welfare kind of activities, you want to build a house for a poor person, and you go to one person that give us some kind of help, some money help to build that house for a poor family. When you go to one person, he refuses. Then you go to another person. You make the same request. That person also refuses to support you. Then you again go to another person, third person, and you ask for help. And he also refuses to give you help. Then you feel some kind of I think that nervousness, despair. Then you try to quit, that I don't want to do these welfare activities. People are not supporting me. What kind of these people are? They have no sympathy towards poor people. So you think that why I'm wasting my time? Each and everybody is busy in his own household or other works. They don't think about others, no sympathy for the poor. Then you try to quit. But if you do your consistent struggle, when after third person you go to the fourth person and you ask for help, the same request, that person accept your request and give you hope that he will help you. Then you again go to fifth person, he refuses. You go to sixth person, he refuses. You go to seventh person, that person accept your request and he will help you. And from this process, if you quit at third level, you go to one person, second person, third person, they all refuses, and you become despair from their attitudes and you quit. Then you are failed because you have quitted. But if you do your consistent struggle, the fourth person is that person, from there your success started. So I think that consistent struggle is necessary. You will face so many failures, but among those failures, success is also hidden. You will have to do your struggle without thinking that you are becoming fail. From this example, I think that you will do your consistent hard work. If you are improving yourself in English language, you are learning English language. In first, second, third phase, you are facing a lot of problems. You are becoming, I think that, nervous to improve yourself. But don't quit. Perhaps in next step, you are going to be succeeded. So do your consistent hard work. This will give you success and you will be succeeded. Hope you find today's video useful. In next video I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, and before leaving, do subscribe this channel so that you never miss our other videos. Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.